Yo, what's up guys? This is JC Boy and I'm come back from the Christmas party in Lakandula. So, that was a lot of fun in there. Maybe a little bit hotter when I get home. See? No, shirtless. Okay, so I got this gift here. So I was wondering whether it is a Uno card or Monopoly deal. So I am curiously know what gonna be inside of this. So I asked some of my classmates, and some of them answered. Most of them were Uno cards. Some of them only Aaron, or only few of them. Only few of them have say Monopoly deal. So this is a gift that Russell gave me. This gift to me. Okay, I'm curious though. I don't know what's gonna be inside. Uh, let's find out. Okay. Uh, it's gonna take a while. Uh, okay, we're good. Whoa! Teka lang. Uy, sira. Okay. Oh! Oh, I'm feeling it. So, wait. I think this is two. Okay, so I have no idea what's gonna be inside those boxes. I am curious. Okay. Oh! Wala pa. Just kidding. So, alright. Almost there. Oh! Uh-oh. Okay, so... Okay, I got the box now. Oh! God. Uno card. I got Uno card. Seems to be there's two of them. Is this Monopoly deal? What the? Well, guys. Well, it looks to me I got double Uno cards here. I got two Uno cards, so okay. Damn. Can't believe Russell buy two Uno cards, no? So maybe he was thinking that he could buy two of them, but well, best gift ever. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so I got two Uno cards here. So I want to thank you Russell, for this awesome gift. You're my classmate. I should thank you this because I like Uno cards, guys. I like Uno cards a lot. Okay, boom. So this is gonna be a vacation day, December 15 here. Tomorrow it's Saturday. Don't have any vacation now. So I'm going to enjoy my vacation here, just relaxing. I don't know. You know what? We're going back to school in January. This is gonna be a long day. It's relaxing. So, by the way, again, thank you again, Russell, for this awesome gift. Two Uno cards. I like it. I like it a lot. So subscribe, comment on this video. What would you think of this? I love it. Thank you again for this good video that I'm making for this very Christmas. So it's gonna be 14 because it's wait, gonna count it. Can count it now. So thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.